Hey, today we're going to look at how we can represent whole numbers in 3 different ways. First of all, we can draw any number. Secondly, we can use our base 10 blocks that we have in our classroom to represent the number. And lastly, we can take out those place value charts that we have to represent any number also. For example, if I want to represent the number 2,132, I would draw it like this. The cubes right here represent 1,000 each. 1,000 and another 1,000 would be 2,000. I have my flat, which represents 100. I have 3 rods, which represent 30. And finally, I have 2 units, which each represent 1 for a total of 2. So again, I've drawn 2,132. If my teacher asked me to represent the number 1,439, I could grab my manipulatives and pick up 1 cube, which represents 1,000. I would pick up 4 flats to represent 400, 3 rods to represent 30, and finally 9 units to represent 9 ones. Finally, the third way you can represent a number is to use your place value chart. If we want to represent the number 3,457, we simply place the numbers in the correct columns. So we have 7 ones here, so we have to place that 7 in the ones column, as you can see by the title. We have 5 tens. We have to place the 5 in the tens column. We have 4 hundreds. So where does that 4 go? Under the hundreds column. And finally, you see we have 3 thousands, and there's the thousands column. So we have to place the 3 under the thousands. So here we have our full whole number, 3,457. To conclude, how do we represent a number? I can draw the number. I can use my base 10 blocks to build the number. And lastly, I can use my place value chart to represent any number.